See second problem and the same guarantee of profits. In the last problem, the total firm guaranteed, but this problem, see, Roja and Usha were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They agreed Sahana for 1/6 share in profits and guaranteed that her share of profit will not be less than. If it is more, okay. If it is less, that will be more. Will not be less than 25,000. Total profits of the firm were rupees 90,000. Calculate the share of profits for each partner when the guarantee is given by Roja. Only by Roja. This is important. Only a single partner has given the total guarantee. So for this also we have to find out the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. That is, in this also nothing information is given about the ratios. For that purpose, we should take the admitted partners share, that is 1/6. Old partners share is 3:2. So, in such circumstances, if the firm share is 1, if the firm share is 1, overall firm share is 1, how much given to the newly admitted partner? That is 1/6. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/6 is equal to 5/6. Firm share minus admitted partner share. Firm share minus admitted partner share, that is the remaining share. Now, Roja is equal to remaining share into old share. Remaining share is 5/6 into old share is 3/2, that is also 15/30. Second, Usha. Remaining share into old share. So here 5/6 into 2/5, that is 10/30. And newly admitted partner is Sahana, already given, that is 1/6 share. Already told you, all the numerators, see, automatically 15 plus 10, 25. Admitted partner share percent should be 5. So like this, multiply by 5, we will get the common denominator, that is 35. So NPSR is equal to new profit sharing ratio is equal to 15:10:5, or simplify it, 3:2:1. 3:2:1. Now, actual allocation of profit. Actual profits, profit of all the partners. Actual profit of all the partners. First one, Roja. See, 90,000. 90,000 is the firm's profit. 90,000 is the firm's profit. Into new profit sharing ratio of Roja is 3/6. That is 45,000. Usha, 90,000 into 2/6 is equal to 30,000. And Sahana, 90,000 into 1/6 is equal to 15,000. See, here the actual profits are there, 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000. 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000. But here the actual profit, guaranteed profit is 25,000. Guaranteed profit is 25,000. That is lesser than the 25,000. For this, how much deficit is there? 10,000. And who is given the guarantee? Only Roja is given the guarantee. So for that purpose, minus 10,000 deduct only from Roja. So 35,000. As usual, 30,000. Nothing will be there. And 25,000. This is the after guarantee. This is the actual profit. When there is no guarantee, all the partners will get like this. When there is a guarantee by a single partner, that is Roja, the total amount, how much deficit to the newly admitted partner Sahana, that amount will be deducted out of the profits of Roja. Now, particulars rupees. Don't forget to write debit and credit because this is a T form of account. Profit and loss of corporation account is the title of the account. And particulars rupees, and it is a T form of account. Left hand side debit side, right hand side that is credit side. First, by balance brought down. Total amount is 90,000 is there. Total amount is 90,000. So give the guaranteed profit, that is to Roja capital account. Actual profit is 45,000. Only single partner sacrifices this. For that she will get instead of 45,000 she is getting only 35,000 because 10,000 she sacrifices to Sahana. To Usha capital account, no changes. 30,000 is there. Directly write it 30,000 only. And to Sahana's capital account. So 15,000 is the actual profit plus deficit. It should be overall 25,000 is the guarantee. So for this, then 10,000 we have to add, which is sacrificed by the Roja.